Hello, good morning. Happy Monday, happy first day of the week. Today we start a new but shorter week because on Thursday we're out of school. So this week, instead of being a 5-day week, is gonna be a 4-day week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that's when we have our Mexican parade. Then on Thursday, we don't come to school and we come back on Friday. That's right, a 4-day week. I have great news to share with you that I know that will make you happy, very, very happy. Do you remember last year, ¿se acuerdan el año pasado, that we had a board just like Miss Dani, but smaller, where we had our mascot and we practiced our tracing, we practiced words, the date, the days of the week, the months of the year, and more? Do you remember? No? Well, I will remind you. Miss Dani sent you on your material box a board that looks like this. It has Benny the beaver. He is our mascot. Do you remember him? If not, it doesn't matter. We will see him later. This is your board, and here we're gonna use it from the two sides. We're gonna use both sides of the board, not like the year before that we only used this part. So, everything that Miss Dani writes here on the board from now on, you're also going to write it on your board. That's what I send it to you so you can practice. Very good. Let's start our today's class writing the date, and then we're gonna practice the months of the year. Let's go ahead and write today's date. As I already said, today is Monday, the first day of the week. Do you have your marker ready? No? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds for you to find a water marker so you can write and erase everything you do on this board. Never use a Sharpie, never use permanent markers, because if you do so, you will never be able to erase what you wrote. So go ahead and find a water marker. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Let's go ahead and write the date here on the board. Well, I'll write it here, and you're gonna write it here. You're gonna write it here. Today is Monday. Let's say M. Wait a minute, students. Whenever you're writing a letter, I should tell you, for you to write it correctly, we never write from bottom to top. It's always from the top to the bottom, de arriba para abajo. Every trace we make is from the top to the bottom. Very good. So I was saying, let's write Monday. We have M, O, look carefully. N goes from the top to the bottom. N, D from the top to the bottom. A, Y, Monday. Today is Monday. Write a comma. And what month are we in? In what month are we in? We are still on September. Let's go ahead and write S, E, P, T, E, M, V, E, R. Who knows exactly what day of September is it? Of course I know it's Monday, but what date? On Friday it was the 10th, Saturday was 11, Sunday 12, Monday 13, that's right, 13. Make a 1, a 3, and write a little TH. 13 from the year 2000 21st. This is our year. So today is Monday, September 13, 2021. Did you write it on your board? No. You need to write it here. Monday, comma, September 13, 2021. And then you go ahead and erase it so you can write what we're gonna practice next. As a title on your board, go ahead and write months of the year. I'm gonna write it here so you can see however it's written, and then you're gonna write it on your board. Months of the year, we have letter M from the top to the bottom. M, O, N, T, H, S, months. It means meses. Months, space, O-F, make of, meses. Then months of, T-H-E. Let's say that of and the make del in Spanish. So we have months of the, meses del, year, año. Y-E-A-R, months of the year. Very good. That's your title on your board. A title, make it little because we're gonna write a 12-month year. A 12-month list, I'm sorry. A 12-month list. Let's write the number 1 month of the year, which is January. Say January. January. That's right. That's the first month of the year. Then, number 2, we have February. 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 Very good. Number 3, I'm going to write it down here because I know the light reflects here and you will not be able to see. So I'm going to write it here under the light. Number 3 is March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Number 4 is April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Then, what month comes next? We have May. Say May. M-A-Y. May. Excellent. Month number 6. Month number 6 will be June. J-U-N-E. June. We're gonna continue on this side so you can use both sides of your board. From number 1 to number 6 on this side and from number 7 to 12 on the other. After June, month number 7, we have July. July, very good. Month number 8 is August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Remember, only Miss Dani is skipping a line because we have the light reflection here. You don't have to skip a line. Month number 9 is the one that we're into right now. Say September. S-E-P-T-E-M-V-E-R. September. Month number 10 is October. Say O-C-T-O-V-E-R. R, October. Month number 11 will be November. N, O, V, E, M, V, E, R. November. Miss Dani, you're writing like a plane. I'm so sorry, kids. Miss Dani's practicing too. Number 12. Say December. D, E, C, E, M, V, E, R. December. So let's go ahead and practice the 12 months of the year all together. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You should practice the 12 months of the year because we are on K3. Very good. Once you finish tracing the months of the year, we're gonna go ahead and work on our workbooks and notebooks. Are you ready to start working on your books now? Say yes, Miss Dani. I'm pretending I'm listening. You say yes, Miss Dani. So let's go ahead and take out our green book, which is our at the top book, this one. And you're gonna look on your green pages that are pronunciation lab, green pages, page number 7, this page. We're gonna practice our vocabulary words as we usually do. So look for page 7 on pronunciation lab and I'll wait 3 seconds for you to find it. Ready? Okay, let's go ahead and practice our vocabulary words. Remember, if you already know how to pronounce it correctly, put a check mark on each picture, letting your parents know that you already know that word. Okay, the first one is paint. Say paint. The paint is colorful. Paint. Pintura, paint. Put a check mark on it if you already know how to pronounce it correctly. The second word, say feelings. Feelings. We all have feelings. Feelings, sentimientos. The third word, smile. Smile. I don't want anybody saying smile. It's smile. Smile, very good. Bill has a beautiful smile. What do you think? Does your teacher have a beautiful smile? Be honest. I know. Let's continue saying laugh. Laugh. He likes to laugh a lot. Reírse, risa, laugh, laugh. In. The brush is in the paint. In, very good. Adentro, in. Out. The brush is out of the paint. Out, I'm sorry, I was about to say brush. Out, afuera. So we have in, which means, and we have out, that means, very good. Here we have two opposites that we're gonna be working on our notebook later on. I'm not saying today, but maybe tomorrow. And you will practice in and out. In, out. Very good. Let's take a look on the same green pages. On page number 9. This is our second classwork. We have pronunciation love pages, still the green pages, page number 9. And what is the first thing we do on a classwork? Tell me, Zani, what's the first thing you do when you have a classwork? Of course, you write your name at the top so Miss Zani knows whose classwork is it. This classwork is called Good Morning. Good morning. I know you heard that expression before. Raise your hand if you know what it means. Does it mean ¿tienes hambre? Does it mean ¿qué color es? Or it means buenos días. That's right. Good morning means buenos días. So it says good morning. And here we have a short poem that Miss Dani is gonna read to you. And when we're done reading the poem, you're gonna go ahead and color the picture from the teacher and her students. The teacher is already colored, so you're not gonna worry about her. You're only gonna color the students. You either can color them while you listen to Miss Dani reads the poem, or you can wait when I finish reading it and you can color them. Pay attention. Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Good morning, good morning. I'm fine. How are you? So this poem is only asking how are you today. Solo está preguntando cómo estamos hoy. Nos da los buenos días y nos pregunta cómo estamos hoy. It says, good morning, how do you do? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning, I'm fine. How are you? Yo estoy bien. ¿Y tú cómo estás? Go ahead and paint or color the 3 students from the teacher. This was your second classwork. Let's go ahead and close our book. Close your book. And you're gonna get out your red book, your writing skills book. That's right, your red book. Go ahead and look for page 15. Page 15 on your book. You're gonna write your name. That's the everyday instruction for all of your classworks. And then we're gonna read the title and the poem that we have here. The title says, Painting on Easel. What does easel mean? You already know that word from your vocabulary words. Easel means lienzo. That's right. Lienzo. Painting on your easel. Painting on easel is so much fun. Painting on an easel is for everyone. That's right. Pintar en un lienzo es para todos. So you're gonna go ahead and trace several times. What does several times mean? It means varias veces. That's right. Trace several times over the models using different colors, diferentes colores. Start on the green dot as usual and stop on the red dot. Go ahead and trace from the top to the bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And as you're going to trace several times, you need to use different colors. So maybe you can start using pink, then you can use orange, then you can use red, and finish using blue. Or you can do everything in pink, then everything in yellow, everything in red, however you prefer. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the second easel. Go ahead and trace from left to right, left to right, left to right, until you finish in the red dot, using different colors on each. This is your third classwork. Turn the page to page 16, and we're gonna have our fourth and almost last classwork. What are you gonna do? You're gonna write your name, and we're gonna read the title. The title says, Happy Face. What is a happy face? Show Miss Dani a happy face. Very good. The instructions say, trace 5 times. How many, Miss Dani? 5 times over each dotted line. Start on the green dot and stop on the red dot. You're gonna trace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times each smile. 5 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Including this one, the one that's on the middle. And we have a little poem that says, down and up to make a big smile. Down and up, it stays for a while. So go ahead and trace all the dotted lines while you smile. Very good. Ask your mom to take a picture of this classwork so I can see your face smiling like this. Very good. Close your book. Close your book. Get your notebook because we're about to have our last classwork. Get out your notebook. And you're gonna paste this page that Miss Dani sent you on your material box. This page is your 5th and last classwork from today. What are the instructions for this classwork? You're gonna trace each name of the numbers. 1, then 2, 3, and so on until 5. Then you're gonna trace the numbers. And at the end, you're gonna match the word that belongs to the numbers. So for number 1, after you trace them both, you're gonna make a line from word 1 to number 1, word 2 to number 2, and so on until you finish with the 5 numbers. Very good. This was your 5th and last classwork. For today, our class is over. It took a little bit longer, but because we're practicing now with our board, that's right. At the end of the week, I think you will become better at writing on your board. So as Miss Dani, I will not be writing like a plane, in a plane mode. So have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.